There are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword with. Hello, fellow Python enthusiasts. In today's guide, we are delving into a keyword that elegantly simplifies the management of resources. With. Join us as we explore how with enhances code readability and ensures resources are handled efficiently. The with statement in Python is used to wrap the execution of a block of code within methods defined by the context manager. A context manager is an object that sets up a runtime context, executes the block of code, and then tears down the context, regardless of how the block exits. This mechanism is essential for resource management, like file handling or network connections. Why with? Its primary role is to ensure resources are properly managed without requiring explicit setup and teardown code, by automatically handling resource allocation and release. With makes your code cleaner, safer, and more readable. The with statement is invaluable in scenarios that involve resources needing explicit acquisition and release. It's commonly used for file operations, database connections, or ensuring that locks are released in multi-threading, preventing leaks, and ensuring that resources are freed correctly. Let's explore the functionality of the with keyword through a simple example. In this snippet, we use the with statement to open a file. The file is automatically closed once the blocks of code is exited, whether the exit occurs because of the end of the block is reached or because an exception is raised. This showcases with's ability to manage resources efficiently. And that's the with statement. Your partner in ensuring resource management is handled gracefully in Python. Embrace with to make your code more efficient and your resource handling foolproof. Elevate your Python code practices with us. For more insights and tips, make sure to subscribe.